my name is Lauren Felmer with University of Missouri Extension. Today I wanted to share with you a super easy way to make use of some maybe leftover vegetables that you have either in your refrigerator or in your root cellar. So I'm just going to show you a really basic, easy recipe of roasting vegetables. I love roasting vegetables in the winter and of course in the spring. When I put aluminum foil on our baking sheet here just to act as a barrier. It's so much easier for cleanup. I also preheated our oven to 425 degrees. So it's important to have that oven good and hot before you put your vegetables into roast, okay? So our particular mix today is baby carrots, some radishes, some potatoes, and onion. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to spread them on our roasting pan. Super easy. And I'm gonna spread them out. The important thing about roasting veggies is you wanna try to keep all of your parts similar in size, so all of your components. So our radishes are similar in size to our potatoes, our onions, similar in size also, and then our baby carrots, they're gonna obviously cook a little bit quicker, but we left them whole and didn't cut them into smaller portions. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of avocado oil, give it a light toss across all of our veggies. We're not trying to drown our veggies in oil. We just wanna give it enough so that the vegetables get nice and golden brown. As with all of our seasonal and simple recipes, I always advise everybody to salt and pepper to taste. That doesn't mean just coat it all heavily in salt because we really wanna bring out the flavor, and we use salt as our vehicle to do that. So I'm gonna take a little bit of our kosher salt and I hold my hand over a little bit higher over the pan to make sure that the salt kind of evenly distributes itself. It's a little messy, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna take cracked black pepper, go over the top. We're gonna use just a dried Italian seasoning to sprinkle over the top. So again, I'm gonna hold it up over, giving it a good, 6 to 10 inches of distance over the top of our veggies, and we're just gonna coat them evenly across. So we're gonna pop these veggies in here for about 15, 20 minutes. It kind of depends on how golden you like your veggies. We are going to stir them once in the middle of cooking to make sure that all sides of the veggies are getting a nice golden roast on them. So I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna pop these in, let them go, and I'll check back with you here in just a little bit. So it's been about 30 to 35 minutes on our roasted veggies. I just pulled them out and they look perfect. One of the things I wanted to point out is you can see like these little brown, crusty, caramelized bits. That's where all the flavor is at. And that's one of the things that I really love about roasting veggies is you can transform the flavor of any vegetable just by letting it roast for a while. So just remember that when you're cooking, it doesn't take fancy, crazy ingredients. This is gonna be a perfect side to any main dish on my dinner and supper agenda for sure. So check it out. I'm gonna get a little bite here. Like I said, they're super hot. I just feel like I'm playing Dare Challenge here every time. Seasoned, perfect, crunchy around the side. Really, it doesn't get much simpler, easier, or tastier than this. So if you like recipes like this, you want to see more, check out our extension.missouri.edu website and just search seasonal and simple, and you'll find recipes like this and lots more. Until next time, we'll see you later.